There are two main reasons you would need to disassemble the tail switch for the RTC-X580. Either to replace the rubber button or to replace the internal tail switch. To do this, all you'll need is a pair of forceps or a pair of needle nose pliers. To start, put your tail switch on a flat surface like a table or a workbench. Next, put your needle nose pliers or your forceps in two adjacent holes. Turn the body of the tail switch clockwise. This will unscrew the top from the bottom. When it's completely unscrewed, flip the switch over. To disassemble, pull off the body, pull off the contact surround, pull off the contact, and then remove the tail switch. Now we need to disassemble the push button assembly. This is very similar to disassembling the tail cap. Put the stainless steel piece face down on a table or workbench. Next, put your needle nose pliers or your forceps into the spanner nut. Turn the stainless steel body clockwise. Now just pull the pieces apart. Now let's put everything back together.